and through speculation. That all the world is drowned in riba and Allah knows best.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected Sheikh Mufti Taqi Usmani, we're very honored with a visit here to Moscow, and ahlan wa sahlan, welcome. You had a very busy days here in Moscow, and my first question is, how is your impression of Russia, particularly with regards to financial aspects and Islamic financial aspects, because you see a lot of questions, people here asking about that.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulihil kareem, wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. In fact, I was very much impressed by this visit to Russia. This was not my first visit to this beautiful country, but I have been here some 12 years ago also. And during this period, I found that Russia and Moscow particularly has developed more than it was when I visited first. So, and also it was very encouraging that the people, I found the people very gentle and also very kind to me, and I enjoyed the hospitality that should be between brothers, alhamdulillah. And also it was very useful because, alhamdulillah, we had certain opportunities to discuss the problems or issues facing Russia, and also we come closer to understand each other, and particularly in the field of Islamic finance, it was very great opportunity for me to introduce Islamic finance and the philosophy underlying it. And alhamdulillah, I had very good discussions during these meetings, during these seminars, and I had an opportunity to speak on Islamic finance in detail. I, alhamdulillah, received a number of questions very pertinent to financial matters, particularly for Islamic finance. And I had an opportunity to clarify some issues that were disturbing the minds of many. So I think that this visit is much more useful than it was in my first visit. And I thank my brothers in Russia and the public of Russia and the intelligentsia of the Russia. So I am very thankful for them to be very kind to me.
And first of all, thanks to you, and alhamdulillah that you have such an opportunity to take knowledge, to take advice from you, Sheikh. And you travel to a lot of countries. What do you think is the level of understanding of Islamic finance in Russia now, comparing to other Islamic and non-Islamic countries?
In fact, I visited so many countries where Muslims are in minority, where the system is secular, but I cannot say, for sure which country is more receptive of Islamic finance. But the meetings I have attended and the people I have met, both I found that are very eager to learn about Islamic finance and to experience it in their business activities, and it is very encouraging for me. And I could not, in fact, I will tell you frankly that I did not imagine such kind of reception of Islamic finance as I found in this visit of mine.
Okay. And let's move directly to financial issues. The core instrument of finance is money. So what is the main specific issue or issues of money? I mean, what is the difference between money according to Sharia and is according to the secular understanding of it? What are the main...
This is very pertinent question about Islamic finance. I have explained it in my lecture that money, the nature of money, the first philosopher, according to my limited knowledge, who spoke about money and its nature was Imam Ghazali, rahimahullah ta'ala, some 600 years ago. He was the first person who spoke about money and about its nature, and he said that money is not a commodity and it cannot be treated as such. So he said that whenever money will be made a commodity or considered to be a commodity, then it will harm the economic atmosphere at large. And therefore, after Imam Ghazali, there were many philosophers who also said that it's a medium of exchange. So the first person who said, according to my limited knowledge, who said that it is a medium of exchange is Imam Ghazali. But thereafter there came many philosophers who admitted that it is a medium of exchange. But unfortunately, they could not go further to reach the logical consequence or logical result of this principle that it is a medium of exchange, because many people wanted to take money as a thing which can be traded in. And for that purpose, the main obstacle was that in all religions, including Judaism, Christianity, Islam, in every religion, the riba, that is interest, was prohibited. So at the very beginning, they tried to interpret money or interpret riba or interest as to make it a commodity in the sense that it may be traded in. So once this obstacle was removed and this interpretation has dominated among the philosophers or among the economists, then they allowed interest on the basis that it was usury that was prohibited, that is a consumption loan. But if it is a commercial loan, then charging something above the principal should not be prohibited. Once they reached this conclusion, then it led to a number of transactions that were not, in fact, based on a sustainable economy. So, therefore, there came paper currency, and after paper currency there came financial papers. They were traded. Then came creation of money through banks, which has nothing real. This is an artificial creation of money. And then came the derivatives in the form of futures and in the form of options and swaps. These derivatives grew more and more to make the economy a bubble, rather I will say as a balloon, which could be burst any time. And this was the basic reason for the volatility of the economy throughout history. And there were many occasions where the world faced a crisis of recession, crisis of trade cycle. So, and lastly in 2008, it was the biggest crisis that was faced by the world. At that point of time, they admitted that our basic system of economy is faulty and it should be reformed. But again, the people who benefited from this kind of economy, they would not be ready to accept that we should make revolutionary changes in our economic system. So therefore we are proceeding in the same direction as they wanted.